Okay, let us start our class, today's class. Last class we have discussed about the inventory management. That means identify the 6 category of costs associated with the goods for sale, and then EOQ model, isn't it? And today we'll discuss more detail about the EOQ and other things. Okay, so last class we discussed the 6 type of costs associated with goods for sale, and then we discussed economic order quantity decision model, EOQ. There then we derive the formula. After that we solve one small problem. Okay, do you have any question up to this on EOQ, how to solve through using this formula? Any questions or any problem or any queries?
Sir, we have to try to sir avoid the sir math sir is in online. It's very
This is not
difficult for us
math,
to
this is
understand the
theory. That means how to solve this problem through
economic of quantity.
to by using this formula. Okay, this is not math. I will solve math in physical class, that means from exercise, but for from the text I have to explain the formula also, because if I not explain it, then how I complete this chapter? Understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is formula. Any question from about this formula? Hello.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
no problem. So after my class, if there is any formula or an example, after my class, you do it by yourself. If face any problem, please ask me next class. This is your responsibility. If you think that so it is a responsibility of teacher to solve this problem, no. There is a two responsibility. On the behalf of teacher's
স্যার
responsibility, you have
বাসায়
to, and on
স্যার
your and your
বাসায় স্যার কেউই পড়বে না স্যার।
why? Why not?
স্যার টাইমে নাই স্যার, সবাই স্যার ফ্রেন্ডদের সাথে ঘোরাঘুরি করে, এই জায়গায় আড্ডা দেয়, ওই জায়গায় আড্ডা
You
দেয়,
have
স্যার কেউই
time
পড়বে না
to
স্যার।
you have time to roaming here there, and but you have no time to study. That's the problem. By the way, this is online class. There is some limitations, some limitations also. That's why we try our best. I try my best from my side. If you don't care it, or if you don't follow it, it's up to you. Okay. Next, so again I start from this example. That means this example. Uh, how EOQ analysis works. Again, I last class I already explained it. Again, I today I also explain it. Okay. Glare shade sells sunglass, we all know, and UX one, this is model. UX1 is a model. Share shade purchase UX1 from the rate at $14 a unit. So a unit price is 14 per unit is $14. Ratek pays for all incoming freights. No inspection is necessary at the glare shades because of Ratek supplies quality manager, and the demand is 13,000 a year. Okay, this model's demand is 13,000 a year for that company, and the rate of at the rate of 250 weeks units per week. So 1 year 30,000 units demand, and for per week 250 units. Okay, this is demand for 1 year, and this is demand for week. Okay, Glare shares requires 15%, and we already, and this is total to 5.20. This is the carrying cost. 5.20 is a carrying cost. This is given in the question. This is question. Okay. Then and the relevant ordering cost is 200. Now we have to calculate the EOQ, economic order quantity. So what is the EOQ for ordering of YX on sunglass? This is up to the question. This is the question. This all the part of questions. Now the solution, how to solve this? We know the formula. This is the formula. Just apply this formula. EOQ equals to root over 2 multiplied by 13,000. 13,000 is D here. D is for demand in a year. D, this D. And P is 200. 200 is ordering cost. 200 is ordering cost. Okay. And divided by this C. C is carrying cost per unit. That means 5.20. So 1000 units is the EOQ or economic order quantity. What does it mean? 1000. Rifat, please, can you explain this 1000 unit or interpret this? Okay, Rifat is busy, I think.
No, sir.
Okay, so can you explain this 1000 units?
Sir, it is, sir, value of, sir, 1 lakh, root over 1 lakh.
I know it, but what does it mean? 1000 units, what does it mean?
That is product.
So this is the explanations. Okay, okay, no problem. So another one. Nadia is there.
Yes, sir.
So can you explain these 1000 units?
Sir, 1000 unit they should order to meet their demand without any overspending.
Okay, it is nearly correct answer. Okay, very good. That means purchasing 1000 units per order minimize total relevant ordering and carrying cost. Two things. If you purchase 1000 units per order, it's minimize your relevant ordering and carrying cost. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So therefore, the number of delivery each period. Now how to calculate number of delivery? So each delivery 1000 units, isn't it? Each delivery, how what is the quantity? 1000 units, isn't it? You understand this?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the number of delivery in a year? So you have to order how many orders? That means in a year. Say for example, this is D 13,000 for your demand for year, and EOQ is 1000 per order 1000. So you have to order 13 delivery. You have to receive 13 delivery on a year, 1 year. You understand?
Yes, sir.
It
Sir.
means, sorry, hello, anyone? Ask me a
Please, sir,
question.
say again, sir.
Say again. Okay. So I say in Bangla, no problem. So 1000 ইউনিটস যদি আপনি অর্ডার করেন পার অর্ডারে, তাহলে আপনার অর্ডারিং কস্ট এবং ক্যারিং কস্ট সবচেয়ে সর্বনিম্ন হবে। এখানে আপনার সর্বনিম্ন হবে। এখন নাও এখন যদি আপনি তাহলে কয়টা অর্ডার, একটা বছরে আমি কয়টা অর্ডার করব? ভেরি সিম্পল। এক বছরে যদি 13,000 অর্ডার, আমার 13,000 ইউনিটের ডিমান্ড থাকে, আর আমি পার অর্ডারে যদি 1000 ইউনিট করে দেই, তাহলে ডিভাইড করলেই তো আমি 13টা ডেলিভারি পাবো, এক বছরে 13টা ডেলিভারি পাবো। 1000 টাকা করে 1000 মাল্টিপ্লাই বাই 13 মাল্টিপ্লাই 1000, 13,000, সেম থিং, isn't it? Or if you understand, hello,
Yes, sir.
that means it is the number of order. This is the number of order. 13. Okay, next, recall the annual relevant total cost. এখানে আমাদের so now what is the annual relevant total cost? We know that annual relevant total cost equals to, the formula is annual relevant total cost equals to annual relevant ordering cost plus annual relevant carrying cost. That means D divided by Q multiplied P. This is annual ordering cost, and Q divided by 2. That means average multiplied by C. C means this is your annual relevant carrying cost. This is also simple because this is D divided by Q, D divided by this is demand and this is EOQ, that means number of quantity. If you multiply it to the ordering per order cost, then you can derive the total relevant ordering cost. And Q, this is average quantity, and if you multiply by per unit carrying cost, sorry, this is average carrying cost, and if you multiply by per unit carrying cost, then you can find the annual relevant carrying cost. So this is called annual relevant cost. Total cost equals to annual relevant ordering cost plus annual relevant carrying cost. Now what is the annual, how to calculate annual relevant ordering cost? Just this D divided by Q multiplied by P. Okay, this this is this part is annual ordering cost. Okay, and this part is a annual carrying cost. Okay, so here Q is 1000. We already, Q is EOQ. Q is EOQ. This 1000. EOQ or Q is same. EOQ and Q is same. Okay. So total relevant total cost equals to 13,000. This 13,000 multiplied by 200. This D is 13,000 and Q is 1000 and P is 200 per order. This 200. This 200. Okay. 200 plus Q2. Q is 1000. Q is formula 2 and C is a 5.20. 5.20. Total, this is 2600 and this also 2600. Total 5200. Same. These and this same. Total 5200. All of you understand this
Sir,
up to this?
sir, স্যার EOQ 1000 and স্যার Q 1000 স্যার
Same.
এই দুইটা কি স্যার শুধু এই ম্যাথের জন্যই সেম না
No,
স্যার
no,
সব
no.
সময় সেম হবে?
Always. Q means EOQ.
ওকে
Okay.
স্যার, ওকে।
Any other any question up to this? Any question?
No, sir.
Pratasha, are you there? Pratasha Shaha. Not connected or internet problem, net problem. Any problem up to this?
নো
So
স্যার।
there is a graph. I explain this graph. Okay, just concentrate on this graph. Okay, I will explain it. Now you can understand very well. So graphic analysis ordering cost and carrying cost for units and sunglass at a glare heads. Okay. So there is O-axis. O-axis in order quantity. This is Q. That means Q means EOQ. Q means EOQ. Okay. And this is relevant total cost. Relevant total cost. Relevant total cost is this. Relevant total RTC. RTC means relevant total cost is 5200. Okay. So EOQ here 0 to 2600 and it is O axis and OY axis is 0 to 1000. At first draw this. Okay. Then what is this? What is this graph? Blue line, blue line, blue line. What is this graph? This blue line from 0 to this. This is annual relevant carrying cost. Okay. This is annual relevant. And this curve annual relevant ordering cost. Okay. This curve is annual relevant carrying cost and this is annual relevant ordering cost. Okay. Now total cost, annual relevant total cost, this line is annual relevant total cost. This is annual relevant total cost. And this level is a EOQ 1000, and this is EOQ 1000 in unit, and this is 5200 in amount, and this level is your ordering cost, and the carrying cost is intersect, isn't it? This ordering cost and the carrying cost intersect here. This is EOQ. You understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Any problem to understand this? Please ask
No,
me. No?
no, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, question. When to order? Assuming certainty. Now, question is when to order? That is reorder point. Second decision clear management phase, the when to order the units. The reorder point is the quantity level of investment on hand that triggers a new purchase order. So what is the reorder point? The reorder points is the quantity level of inventory on hand that trigger a new purchase order. That means আপনার আপনি যে অর্ডার করবেন সেকেন্ড টাইমে যখন আপনি অর্ডার করবেন তখন কখন করবেন? তো আপনার তো হাতে কিছু থাকতেই তো আপনি অর্ডার করবো, নাকি একবার শেষ হয়ে গেলে তারপর অর্ডার করবো? হোয়াট ডু ইউ থিঙ্ক? হ্যালো?
হাতে কিছু
থাকতে
থাকতে
অর্ডার করব।
রাইট, ভেরি গুড। বিকজ আমরা যদি মনে করেন আমি সব বিক্রি করে ফেলছি, এখন আবার অর্ডার করতে, অর্ডারটা তো আসতে তো আমার সময় লাগবে, আর সময় লাগবে না? এটাকে বলা হয় লিড টাইম। এটা আমরা এক্সপ্লেন করবো হোয়াট ইজ লিড টাইম। ওকে, তো আসতে তো সময় লাগবে, তাই না? 10 দিন অন দা ওয়ে থাকবে, বা তো একটা লিড টাইম থাকে, তো আসটা পর্যন্ত আপনাদের ওই পর্যন্ত আমাদের সেল করতে হবে। দেন আসার পরে দেন আমাদের নতুন পাবো, আবার আমরা ওখান থেকে সেল করবো, তাই না? তো আমাদের কিছু থাকতে আমাদের সেল করতে হবে। দিস ইজ কল্ড হোয়েন। তাহলে আমার কত ইউনিট থাকতে আমি অর্ডারটা করবো, দিস ইজ কল্ড রি অর্ডার পয়েন্ট। ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? রি অর্ডার পয়েন্ট।
Yes, sir.
So reorder points is the quantity level of inventory on hand that triggers a new purchase order. Okay, the reorder point is simplest to compute when the both demand and purchase order of lead time, purchase of lead time are known with certainty. So it's very easy. How to compute this? Reorder point equals to number of units sold per time period, number of units sold per time period multiply by purchase order lead time. This lead time means so the time from order to receive that product. Okay, আপনি অর্ডার করার থেকে শুরু করে ওই প্রোডাক্টটা আসা পর্যন্ত যে টাইমটা থাকে সেটাকে বলা হয় পারচেস অর্ডার লিড টাইম। ওকে, you understand lead time? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is the definition of lead time? There is a definition. However, so here the lead time is 2 weeks. Here lead time is 2 weeks. That means from order to receive product requires 2 weeks. Okay. So how to compute reorder point? Reorder point equals to number of units sold per time period. Okay. The economic order quantity 1000. We already derived it. Number of units sold per week 250 weeks per week. It is also given here. These questions. Okay. 250 per week is 250 weeks per week. 13,000 for year and 250 per week. Okay. The number of units sold per time period. Okay. So 250 per weeks. So 250 per weeks. That means 250 per weeks, and then multiply by purchase order lead time. Purchase order lead time is 2 weeks. 250 units per week multiply by 2 weeks. That means 500 units. What does it mean? 500 units. Anyone, please explain this. 500 units. What does it mean?
স্যার 500 ইউনিট থাকতে হচ্ছে তাদের আবার অর্ডার করতে হবে এরকম কিছু?
Right, very good. That means Glacier will order 1000 units of XY each time in its inventory falls to 500 units. তার মানে কি 500 নিচে, মানে 500 নিচে হওয়ার সাথে সাথেই আপনাকে কি করতে হবে? আবার অর্ডার করতে হবে। কারণ 2 উইকের ভিতরে আপনার ডিমান্ড কত আছে? 2 উইকের ভিতরে হয়তো আপনার এই 500 উইক সেল হয়ে যাবে। বুঝতে পারছেন? হ্যালো।
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means we have the inventory, and then assuming the demand occurs uniformly during the each year. Okay, if the purchase order lead time 2 weeks, a new order will be placed within the inventory level falls 500 units. So the 1000 units order will be received at the precise time that inventory reorders 0. Okay, you understand this, I think. Now safety stock. What is safety stock? Any idea about safety stock? This lead time. So this is they give the presentation or graphical presentation. Okay. So weeks 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after 2 weeks, this is 2 to 3. This is lead time. After 4, 5, 6 to 7, this is lead time, 2 weeks. Okay. 2 to 4 weeks lead time, and 6 to 8, and then so after 50 units I'm sorry, 500 units, যেটা সেটা হলো আপনাকে এই 2 উইকের ভিতরে শেষ হয়ে যাবে এটা এখানে। So reorder point 500. This is reorder point. Reorder point. Okay. This is one reorder point, and this is another reorder point. You understand this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is safety stock? So safety stock. So if Glacier's managers are uncertain about the demand or the purchase order lead time, so say this reorder point when you certain, assuming certain that your lead time is 2 weeks, within 2 weeks you can sell 500 units. Okay, within 2 weeks. But if you're not certain that no, there is no demand, but uncertain about whether I can sell this 500 within 2 weeks or not, then what to do, isn't it? There is one problem. That means if you certain that no, I can sell it 500 every 500 every 2 weeks, I can sell 500 units, but there is uncertainty. Okay, when uncertainty that you have no idea that whether you can sell it or not about the quantity of extra rate. Okay, what is the lead order? If the register manager are uncertain about the demand or the purchase order lead time, or they are uncertain about the quantity of extra can provide, they will hold safety stock. Okay, safety stock is inventory held at all time regardless of the quantity of inventory ordering using the equivalent. So what is the safety stock? Safety stock is inventory held at all time. এটা সবসময় ধরে রাখতে হবে, regardless of quantity of inventory ordered using the EOQ model. You understand safety stock? Hello.
No, sir. Can you please explain it?
Okay, again. Safety stock is the inventory held at all time, regardless of quantity of inventory order using the EOQ model. এর আগে আমরা যে দেখলাম যে আমাদের যে যখন আমরা জানবো যে আমরা লিড টাইমটা আমরা বুঝতে পারবো যে লিড টাইমের ভিতরে আমাদের এতগুলো থাকতে হবে, আমরা এটা সেল করতে পারবো। বাট এটা যদি আনসার্টেন হয়, ইফ ইট ইজ আনসার্টেন, দেন আমাকে একটা নির্দিষ্ট পরিমাণ ইউনিট সবসময় হাতে রাখতে হবে, regardless of your EOQ model. Understand?
Yes, sir.
তার মানে এটাকে আপনাকে এটা শেষ করা যাবে না, এটাকে হাতে রাখতেই হবে সেফটি স্টক। Safety stock, there is a formula of safety stock. I'll explain it when we do the math. Okay. So I will give you one example about the safety stock, safety stock. Okay, then you will get the clear idea. Suppose glaciers manufacturer are uncertain about demand. Now they have this same problem continue. Okay. Suppose glaciers managers are uncertain about demand. They expect the demand for X, that is this model, is to 250 per week, but it could be as high as 400 units per week. এখন ডিমান্ড অনেক হাই ডিমান্ড থাকতে পারে যে এখন নাও this is the time for it, so their demand is very high. Say for example, same things may happen this company 250 units per week they expect, but it may high 400 per week. Okay, or as low as 100 units per week. এটা হাই 400 হতে পারে, আবার সর্বনিম্ন 100 ও হতে পারে। If stock out costs are very high, the managers will want to hold a safety stock of 300 units and incur higher carrying cost. The 300 units equal to maximum excess demand of 150. Okay, units. Okay, so for uncertainty, so units per week and 2 weeks of the purchase lead time. If stock out costs are minimal, no safety stock will be held at the avoid incurring additional carrying cost. So for safety stock, you have to carrying that stock, and there is a cost also, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is all about our EOQ model. Okay, we'll do it. We will do some exercise from this book when our university open after Eid vacation. Okay, all of you understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'll discuss another topic which is called just in time, JIT. Just in time purchasing. What is this JIT? This is theory. Okay, this is all about theory, and I'll give you one example also from this topic. Okay, just in time. Do you know what is just in time? Or this is first time you heard this word? Shom Maya Raini, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So, how are you?
I'm good, sir.
Good. Okay.
Yes.
Do you know what is JIT?
GIT, sir.
Do you have any idea about GIT? JIT.
Like I have studied in management, sir.
Management. So what is this? Can you explain it to us?
Uh, as per the management definition,
Yes,
just in time means like there won't be any inventory like store,
right, exactly.
so they will directly purchase from or
Supplier.
deal. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. That's the idea. That's the idea about the just in time purchasing. Okay. So I think if Somaya know about the JIT, all of us, all of the other students also know about this, isn't it? Because all of you are study management. How do you, okay, we just go to our text, please. Okay, what is just in time purchase is the purchase of material so that so they are delivered just as needed for production or sale. Okay, this is gist. That means so is the purchase of material so that they are delivered just as needed for production. Why? Why? Because if you store raw material or if you store inventory in the your factory or warehouse, there's so many costs, we know. There is so many that wastage, defective, backdated, so many things. Okay, so in order to remove this type of cost or this type of problem, company just or when just order to the supplier, if inventory level drop out the safety stock or the safety stock or the not safety stock lead time period, that means we already discussed about the EOQ, isn't it? um So and on total cost, that means deliver sorry, carrying cost and the ordering cost. So in order to minimize this cost, so this technique is used. Okay, just in time. Okay, so say for example, on example, consider Hewlett Packard's HP. So HP, you know, we know HP, computer, laptop, the JIT purchasing. HP has long-term agreement with the suppliers of the major components of its printers. Each suppliers is required to make frequent delivery of a small order directly to the production floor based on the production schedule. HP provides them. The suppliers work hard to keep their commitments because any failure on their part will result HP's assembly plant not meeting its scheduled delivery or printers. Say for example, now they develop a system. There they have the system to the shop, system in the shop, and system also suppliers factories also. They monitor all the things, how many units they sold, how many units left, when, and this way, and they also monitor same system. Okay, understand, when the unit of product for the safety stock, they deliver the product to the retailer or the in the shop. Say for example, retail chain shop no, then other chain shop, they follow this JIT. Okay, you understand this JIT? Hello,
Yes, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
any problem to understand this JIT purchasing?
No, sir.
No,
Sir.
sir.
So this is theory, this is not mathematical, this is theory behind JIT. Now we do some problem also. Okay, but not today, because this is almost time is over, isn't it? 12:52. Your class up to 1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Now there is some things about the JIT purchasing and EOQ model parameters, then relevant cost of JIT purchasing. So this is now mathematics come here. We'll discuss next class. And then annual, okay, exhibit. We'll discuss it next class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There is another new topics here. New topics is um black black flush costing. Black flush costing. Do you know what is black flush costing? This is new, isn't it? Another is lien account. Lien accounting. This is also another two things. So we'll discuss tomorrow this all theory, okay, and we'll solve problem after vacation in physical class, okay. Today, sorry, tomorrow we'll complete this all this chapter theoretical part, okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So thank you everybody. Today after this, no more today, and I will call your attendance now. Okay, just keep silent and response.